How's that?
To have met somebody as gorgeous as you. No, you are. You're gorgeous, you're fantastic,
Oh.
you're great, you're like a blonde Elvis. You're wonderful. You're fantastic, you're great. Your turn.
Yep. Well, you're not nearly as lucky as I am.
And why is that?
Well, because I've met somebody as beautiful as you.
No, I'm not beautiful. Am I?
Yes, absolutely.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
You are.
How? How am I beautiful?
You've got beautiful eyes.
My nose?
Nose is lovely too.
It's not there.
No, it's beautiful.
Actually, it's there and it's okay.
It's the cutest little nose I've ever seen.
That's great.
Well,
that's brilliant. Actually, do you mind?
It's true.
Would you
It's
mind just writing that down?
But what? Right?
Writing that down about my nose.
Yeah. You want me to sign and date that?
Just sign it. Just sign it. And hair. If you could do a little subheading. Something about my hair. Just underline it. Something nice.
Yeah. Hair's lovely. It's like a beautiful, like a golden shower.
No, that's ambiguous. Pre-Raphaelite.
Pre-Raphaelite.
You'll be fine. Do you know what that means? A-E.
Yeah,
A-E.
I can spell it.
Right. That's really good. That's fantastic. Actually, do you mind if can I ask you a favour?
Yes.
I was wondering if you would put together a short presentation for a couple of girls we know, Lucy, Caroline and Chloe, about how I am attractive, actually. No slides or anything, not more than 10 minutes.
Yeah, I can do that.
I just really think they need to be told. Thank you, I'll get that.